Hello, my friends. I'm going to try a waterfall pour today. I've seen them. I think they're beautiful, but I've never tried one myself. So that's the plan. I've got Soho paints, and I'm using crimson, mineral blue, cad red, or cad blue green, primary yellow, and cad orange. And I'm keeping them in this order because I don't care if the red mixes with the blue, or the blue with the green, or the green with the yellow, or the yellow with the orange, or the orange with the red. So that should work out. I have some white here. What I'm going to do is be pouring it from this side, and I don't want to cover the whole thing with that. I want some negative space in white. So my plan is to pour it down the center and then tilt it off to side, maybe about here. So I'll have negative space here and a little bit here, and then tilt it over here on this side. So I'll have a little negative space here and an opposite there. So that's the plan anyway. That's what I have in mind. So I don't know that I need to cover the whole thing in white. I don't think I have enough mixed up here, so I'm going to just start by putting a strip down either side. And if I have more, I'll add it to the middle so the colors can slide down a little easier. But for starters, just on the side. So let me do that off camera and I shall return. Okay, well, I'm back. I've laid down some white on either side of the canvas, and now to fill up the cup. I think I'll do 2 or 3 layers. I'm really liking these Soho colors. They're very vivid. And use, I think I did about two parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. So that's good. Well, it goes a long way. I probably could have gone 3. In fact, I have on the, I think the previous pour I did with these, I did 3 to 1. I'm not sure, but I think so. And I think I could have gone even heavier on the pouring medium. I wonder, I might add a little white in between. I don't know why. Just because it's there. Why not? It looks like it'll just be 2 layers. That crimson is the red. Crimson red is a lot deeper than I thought, but it's a beautiful color. It's very rich. I have a lot of paint left over. I'll be able to do another painting with these colors. I hope it works out. Okay, and yeah, I don't need more white, I don't think. Okay, now I'm going to prop up the end of the canvas with these little 3-ounce cups. Should give it enough height. Better move that. Now I'm left-handed, so I'm going to be pouring from this side here. If I were to go here and pour it, you know, and it comes down this way, the paint would kind of all mix and get a little muddy, I think, as it went this way. So by pouring it from this side, the colors will pour out pure, I think. Of course, you being right-handed, you won't do this. You'll pour from this end. So that's the plan. Let's see how it works. And here we go. I'm almost tempted to try the stick thing, but should I? Nah. I think I will. I think I will. Do I have a little stick? I hope this is a mistake. But here we go. I'm going to put the, can you see the end of the canvas here? Yes, I think you can just see it. And here we go. It's a lot of orange. There we go. Almost done. Okay, I think I'll call that good. Ooh, wow. It looks pretty good at this point. Let me, I'm going to take the camera down so you can see how pretty it looks now. Isn't that fun? Very nice. And it's working its way down the canvas because of the tilt. But I'm going to give it a little help. So back you go. And now let's see. I guess I'll bring it all the way down. And then I'll go off to the sides. That was from the split cup, the stick thing. Gave that leafy look down the center. I'm liking that. Okay, I just wanted to reach the end. That was sufficient. Now, oops, move those cups out of the way. Now, bring this back to reach the edge over here. I hate to disturb this section right here. I like that, but I don't want to leave it like this, so I must I go slow enough, I may be able to pull it back and kind of save that look. Come on now. That orange just has the brakes on. Come on. Off you go. There it goes, finally. Let's bring that back, and now to decide where to run it off the edge. I'm going to bring, well, let's see. The weight of the paint is up on this half, so I think I'll come towards me now. That side is kind of pretty. This one is a little, well, that's interesting. The kind of green and orange, but I'm still going to come this way and hope that I can just run off part of it, leaving that negative space. I think I can, like that. Now I'm going to send the weight down here and send it over closer to that opposite edge, like so. Well, that's what I said I wanted to do. Do I like it or not? Not sure. What can I do to fix it? It's too symmetrical here for me. I kind of like this. So I'm going to work on this end. I think I'm going to make this area smaller, I hope. Okay, that's better. Am I happy? I think I am. That's kind of what I had in mind. I'm not completely convinced. I kind of wish this were stretched out here a little bit, but I'm afraid to mess with it too much. I'm pleased with the kind of the curviness of that part. I have some bare spots of white, but I can certainly remedy that easily enough. I'm going to try to fix that little area right there. I don't like it. This is very scary. just want to run off that little bit there. Go, go, go. Okay. All right. I better stop. Maybe this over here. So I'm bringing the weight back to right around here, and then I'm going to tilt this away. Good, good, good. Back. Okay. Well, it was an experiment, and I rather like it. I think I would like the orientation the long way, vertically. If it were to hang up and somewhere, I think that's how I would hang it, this way. Let me bring it down. It's kind of fun. I just have to touch up a little bit of white here. But wow, those 5 colors sure blend and make a lot of tertiary colors. Wow, it's amazing. I wish this was more line. I don't like that. Oh man, my hand looks terrible. I don't like that the lines are coming this way. I really like how it looks on the opposite side, the direction of the lines. I'm not sure why that happened. I mean, it had to be the way I stretched it and tilted, but I can't really do much about that. So anyway, there we have it. That was fun. I enjoyed that. I will certainly be experimenting with that some more. I hope you liked it. I hope you'll give it a try. You've probably done it already. I'm late to the game. So thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time. Goodbye.